Alright, here's how to make a paperclip rake and tension wrench for picking locks. First you gotta bend one out like so. This will be the rake. Stick it in the pliers, bend up, and you have yourself a pick, like for single pin picking. If you want a rake, take that little tip again and bend it down, and now you have a half diamond rake. So that's one half. For the other half, you bend a paper clip out about that much, so it's fairly straight. Stick one end in the pliers, bend it like that, and then squeeze them down in the pliers so it's flat. Like so. And then you'll do that one more time. Well, this will be fine if you're working with smaller locks. If you have a bigger lock, then one more time might be for the best. Alright, there you go. That is your tension wrench. To get it to a wrench shape, stick it in a lock and bend it like so. There you go, you got your wrench. Alright, so I'll be showing you this wrench and rake in action on this lock that I picked in a previous video with paper clips. Oh, it's picked. And these tools are fairly weak, so don't expect to get a lot of use out of them. And remember, only pick locks that you own. You don't want to get in trouble with the police. It's a pretty fun hobby. It's kind of like solving a puzzle, almost. Anyways, peace out, have fun, don't get in trouble.